Salem and Girard in a tough battle late. Third quarter, Salem's Lance Bailey with the drive and the score. He puts the Quakers up 8. Then it's Bailey again, spin in the lane, jumper, got it. Salem takes a double-digit lead. Bailey finished with 11, but Girard would battle back. Michael Palmer to Jordan Johnson for 3. That cut Salem's lead to 6, but the Quakers would answer. Ross Davidson kicks it to the corner. Camden Sampson hits the 3. Back to a 9-point game. Then off an Indian offensive board, it's kicked back out to the corner. Johnson again hits the triple, keeping the Indians in it. Down 4, and it seemed like these two were going back and forth in the last frame. Sampson again, this time from the other corner. Cash, he finished with a team-high 15, and Salem would hold off the Indians' late run to take this one 54-50 on the road.
Wait! Before you skip this ad, I have something to